y'all already know, another day, another slay. Let's get into it, okay? So y'all already know the routine. If you don't, that means you need to go back and watch my videos. So y'all already know what we doing. You know, get into it. I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to use the roses of red, violets of blue. And I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to use the roses of red, violets of blue. And I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to use the roses of red, violets of blue. And I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to go for you. Put it down, down, you can take it. Baby, you can take it. If I put it down, down, you can have it. Baby, you can have it. If I put it down, down. Yeah, I'm about to make her look real bald. Like, please, bald head. Just. So now we're about to try the wig on. You know, we cut out the ear tabs. And then we're going to apply the same makeup we put on the ball cap onto the lace. And then, you know, we're going to cut into 3 sections. And then you're going to clean her forehead with 91% alcohol. Spray it with skin protectant. And then I think I did like 3 to 4 layers. Make sure they dry clear between each layer. We're gonna lay that lace down. After I completely blow dried it, I'm about to cut the lace off, cut in a super jagged motion. Now we're about to get into styling. I went for a half up, half down with some loose curls. And y'all want to get that ponytail perfect, like flat. It don't matter how long it takes you. Do like 10 trials. It don't matter. Get that ponytail flat and centered, okay?
And make sure y'all leave out a little piece to wrap around a ponytail because you don't want that little black scrunchie showing. It's just not cute. So make sure you wrap that around real good. Alright, now we're about to get into my favorite part, which is the baby hairs. And then I did some light little curls for the front two pieces. Can y'all get into the scalp? Just for a little bit. Just for a little bit. Like, yeah, okay. And that's how you slay. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all next week.